In this video, we are going to work on fixing user fatal message 7127. Here, I am told that DRESP1 entry with ID 8,000,001 is referencing PBAR entry with ID number 11. This is that there are no elements corresponding to this combination. Now, here, if I look inside of my PDF file, I see I have a PBARL entry. For shorthand notation, you could just type in PBAR. But here you see that the only PBAR entry that exists has ID number 1. So here you see me circle and point out the 1. But I am referring to 11 in the F06 file. If I look back in my web app, you can see that when I define the constraint, I said look for property, or the stress constraint is being applied to property entry PBAR with ID number 11. But there is no PBAR with ID number 11. But there is a PBAR with ID number 1. So that should have been a 1. And that's why we got this original error message saying I can't find a PBAR entry with ID number 11. But now we've updated, so it says 1 in the entry. And let's go ahead and copy this new output and relocate it to our design model. That would be here. And you can see before it said 11 here. It said 11, but now after we perform the update, everything looks good. So let's go ahead and perform the optimization. If after the video you still have a question or two regarding this message, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than glad to support you. And what I'll do now is I'll split these windows so we have the old F06 file on the left, and then we'll have the new F06 file on the right. And the reason I'm doing this is just to show the before and after. In here, we're just waiting for the new files to be created. And just to reiterate the issue, the user fatal message 7127, it was saying that you were trying to constrain a property type with ID 11. Our model doesn't have a property type with that ID, but it does have a property type with ID 1. So before it said 11 here, which was causing the issue, but now I just made it 1. So I should not have the issue anymore. And here you notice that the new F06 file is a lot longer than it was before, indicating that it's made it through the optimization a lot further. And better yet, we now have the message at the very bottom saying run terminated due to hard convergence. This is an indication that 1, there are no more user fatal messages in the optimization, and 2, it successfully performed the optimization. And that is how you fix this user fatal message 7127. Again, if you have any questions, comments, I'm always open ears to that. So feel free to send me an email using the email address at the beginning of the video. With that, that's the end of this video. And as always, thank you for watching.